Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to CoinDCX in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT seamlessly between wallets, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups, especially with the latest updates in 2025 that might include enhanced security features. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and that your USDT is ready to go. Open the app and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Here, select the USDT token from your list of assets. It's usually under the Tokens section. Quick tip, ensure you're on the correct blockchain network, like Tron or Ethereum, as USDT can vary. Next, head over to your CoinDCX account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and choose USDT. CoinDCX will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully because it's your key to success. Pro tip: always verify the network matches what Trust Wallet is using to prevent any transfer failures. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on the USDT token and select Send or Transfer. Paste the CoinDCX wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount you're sending. Don't forget to account for any network fees, which could be a bit higher in 2025 due to potential upgrades. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Sit tight while the transfer processes. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, hop back to CoinDCX and check your account balance to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just review the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Trust Wallet to CoinDCX. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay informed and secure your assets. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.